And today marks our 9-month anniversary.
Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Joy.
We're the Rightlaners.
And today marks our 9-month anniversary of being on the road. Well, 2 days it will. And it's the start of a brand new year, 2018. So we'd like to talk about what we've learned in the last 9 months. And we're in the desert with motorcycle riders. And we'd like to talk about what's coming up, our plans for 2018.
2017 was a great year. We learned a lot. We've spent a lot of time moving, more time than we probably would have liked, but we've seen a lot of stuff. We haven't left the western United States yet. We've been into Washington, Oregon, Nevada, Nebraska, Utah, Wyoming, and maybe a little bit of Montana and Idaho, but mostly the western United States.
So I'm over the top excited about getting to the southeastern states, Georgia, Alabama, Florida. Although not at the moment, it's freezing cold there. So I'm really excited to get out of our comfort zone. Well, I'm not excited about that part, but I'm excited about seeing new territory. Getting east and the Mississippi, I'm really excited about seeing that, and Georgia and Alabama, and mostly we want to follow the weather. So we don't want to be there right now.
Which we've discovered is very hard.
Yes.
There is no warm weather sometimes. You know, even in the middle of the winter, you think the desert would be warm, and it's not necessarily the case.
Right. We've been out here in this particular spot for almost a week now, celebrating New Year's with my family, our family. It was great to be around the kids.
Actually, we were out here a month, and we went back to the Central Valley of California to be with my girls and our family there, with Joey's family also. That's where they're all at. So we were back there for about 2 weeks. Then we back out here again for a week or so. But we're kind of tired of this area, ready to move on to new areas.
Yes, having in the past been a desert person, I do appreciate the beauty of it now. But it's very dry and dusty, and although our next stop, Tom, is where?
Desert. Then we're heading to Yuma area, then up to Quartzsite, where we'll be for a couple of weeks, at least, maybe 3 or 4 weeks, who knows, in that area. And then we're heading to maybe Tucson area, which I plan on being there. I think we plan on being there 2 or 3, 4 weeks, something like that. We can't leave yet. It's too early in the year to leave going east, so we got to stick around the desert for a little bit longer.
So we look forward to starting our true adventure this year, getting in those states that we had planned on in our initial plans, but we hung around for family events, and it's been great getting our feet wet in the RV while we're not too far off the road. And what we've learned in the last 9 months, well, one thing we knew would happen, but it's definitely true. Something always goes wrong.
Really?
Well, there's something always to fix on the RV.
Oh yeah, but I don't remember anything going wrong. But yeah, I think it's been going really well myself.
It has.
I don't have any complaints yet about living in a small area. It's really good. I'm not having complaints about anything really. I think it's been really a good 9 months. But like I say, we're ready to see a little bit of different territory. I think Joy's a little bit more anxious about it than I am. I've been to some southern states, and I'm not real fond of the insects and stuff like that, but Joy needs to experience, and we haven't been too far. I haven't been that far east.
Yeah, and it'll be all new adventures, and I think we've really got our pace down, what's comfortable for us. We've had to do a lot of driving the beginning of our 9 months, and we've tapered that off dramatically, and it's a lot better. A week in a place is a good pace, depending on where you're at. So we've learned pacing this year, or this 9 months. Pretty much there were no surprises, I don't think. People ask us, how are you getting by with laundry? Hasn't been a problem. It's kind of easier when you go to laundromat because you can do 5 or 6 loads at once and it doesn't take you all day to do your laundry. So that's kind of a plus. We've managed to find water and dump stations, and we're doing great without power. We haven't had full hookups in the past few months, just a few days of full hookups. So we're really managing that very well. So it's been a really exciting 9 months. It's been great having the freedom that we have. It's been absolutely wonderful. We're seeing more of our kids this last 9 months. I think even his daughter has said that she's seen more of us since we hit the road. So that's been great. The next few months will be a little bit difficult in that regard, but we'll manage.
Well, we're heading to Tucson where my youngest daughter is going to school, so we'll hopefully get to spend a little bit of time with her there.
Yeah, and then, there's phones, there's FaceTime, and there's always airplanes. So we'll be okay.
Yeah, I'm sure when we get back to the east, Joy's going to want to go see the grandbaby, and so we'll probably ship her off for a while.
But we'll just, play it as we go and roll with whatever comes our way, and we're really excited. And if you're watching this, we're really happy that you're watching.
Yep. Thanks for watching, sharing, and follow us, subscribe to us, thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave a comment, please, so we know you're out there. And we'll see you on down the road.
Bye-bye.
Bye.